Your LG Sidekick was built to keep your clothes clean and beautiful. For optimal washing performance, the Sidekick offers a variety of washing cycles and settings for different types of loads and fabrics. Make the most out of your laundry time, whether you're washing one small load or running two loads simultaneously using the LG Twin Wash system. Please note that the Sidekick is designed for use with only high-efficiency detergent. Use the measuring device provided with the machine for proper detergent usage. The normal cycle is the default cycle for the Sidekick washer. If you press the start button without selecting a specific cycle, the normal cycle will begin using the default settings. This wash cycle is ideal when you have a few articles of lightly soiled cotton, t-shirts, towels, or jeans. The intimate cycle can be used to wash delicate items such as lingerie or sheer and lacy clothing that can easily be damaged in a normal cycle. Do not use this cycle for silk items. The hand wash cycle can be used to wash shrinkable woolen or hand washable items that require delicate care. Make sure to only wash items that are labeled hand wash when selecting this cycle. Keep your favorite yoga outfits looking brand new. The activewear cycle can be used to wash performance garments that are specifically designed and treated for sports and heavy activity. Pre-treat stains with the rinse and spin cycle, which can be used to rinse and spin a load separately from a regular cycle. This can be helpful in preventing stains from setting in fabrics. You can also start a spin-only cycle by selecting the extra rinse button repeatedly until the spin-only indicator light illuminates and the adjusted time will appear on your display. After selecting a wash cycle, you can select additional features for that load. The warm water option is selected by default on some of the available cycles. It can be selected or deselected by pressing the warm water button. The temperature cannot be set on the rinse and spin or tub clean cycles. Use the extra rinse option to add an extra rinse to all selected cycles besides the tub clean cycle. This option can help ensure the removal of detergent from fabrics. A repeated chime will sound right before the final rinse, so the machine can be paused and liquid fabric softener can be added, if so desired. To prevent children from changing cycles or operating the machine, use the child lock option to disable the controls. Press and hold the extra rinse button for 3 seconds to activate or deactivate the child lock. When the controls are locked, CL will appear on your display. Once the child lock is set, it must be deactivated before any controls, except the power button, can be used. It is highly recommended that you use the tub clean cycle to clean the washing machine tub at least once a month. Make sure the tub is empty. Add a liquid chlorine bleach mix solution or tub cleaner. Close the lid, select the tub clean cycle, and press the start button, and push the drawer closed.